Hello? I've got to rip it. You broke my jaw. I break you. Huh? No. No. Up above.
Why should I join your team?
I won't kill you.
It's a deal then.
Good choice. First mission, kill SELUR.
Who's SELUR?
You know, the blue guy. The blue guy.
Okay. I'll act like I'm on their team.
Okay, good luck. Hey, partner, grab onto the rope. Okay, Smiley isn't there. Partner, come on. What? Yeah! Don't worry, partner. 5 hours later. Bro, this place is endless. Stop being a crybaby. Get over it. I can't take it. Seriously, didn't think it out. Really, I was stupid. Come in. Ow! Oh, I wasn't in the mattress. Hey, what's up, bro? Red, this is Twister, your so-called brother.